Okay, here is the machine. I'm going to go through it first. So you can see the top wheel is not dirty very much at all. The bottom wheel is dirty in comparison, but it's just dirt that's set into the rubber. You'll see when it spins that it spins very well, and it's not worn. The wheels are not worn. They're in very good condition. You can see that there's a small amount of rust here. I mean, this gets dragged on the ground sometimes, and there's a little bit of rust. You can see that there's surface rust on the nuts here, but in general, you know, stainless steel, it's corrosion free. You know, surface rust on some of the galvanized steel here, but it's all in pretty good condition. All right, so, and I'm going to show you, it swivels. There's an adjustment here. If you loosen it, then it allows you to swivel this up and down. So that gets you the ball gets fed into here, and then shoots out the other way. So you can see through this adjustment, you aim the trajectory, so that tightens that up. And then there's another adjustment here, which when that's loosened, allows you to tilt it this way. I'll go back over here. So you can tilt it side to side. And what that does is, depending on the kind of spin that you have on the ball, it changes whether it's a slider that's coming in from the right to left or left to right. You can do it both ways. So typically though, you'd have that perfectly straight up and down. So I'll just tighten that back up again here. All right. And so there are two controls for each wheel. The bottom obviously controls the bottom wheel, and the top controls the speed of the top wheel. And there are instructions here that tell you what to set. So if you want college speed fastball, then you set the top to five. So you would put that at 5. And you would put the bottom, so this is college, to 6. Or, so if you want to make it faster, you'd go 6 and 7. Or you would go, oh, I've got the line in the wrong one here. So it'd be 5. All right, it'll be 5. Fastballs 5 to 8, so it'll be 5-8. Or you could go 6-9, or you could go 7-10. You can play around with it, but the bottom wheel is spinning faster than the top wheel. Anyway, you have the different pitches based on the bottom wheel and top wheel, and it shows you underneath the way that you tilt the mechanism in order to achieve the desired drop that you want. Okay, I'm going to turn it on now. So they're both running at 4. You can see them running. The wheels are running, but they're very smooth. They're very smooth. There's not very much wobble at all. And then I turn them all at full speed. And it's very heavy. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. So the machine is very heavy. It's very sturdy. This adjustment keeps it from turning. It needs to stay tight. And that's the machine, Casey Pro.